We're going to demonstrate a simple hair up. Section the hair into two with a zigzag parting. Pull to one side into the nape of the neck to make a ponytail. Pull the hair through the bun ring and secure the bun ring with Kirby grips. Spread the hair evenly around the bun ring. Once the hair is spread around the bun ring, secure the hair into place with Kirby grips. With the other section the hair into three to complete a Dutch plait, ensuring even tension throughout the plait. Secure with an elastic or a bobble. Loosen the plait to give a textured look. Then secure the plait around the bun ring and secure with Kirby grips. We'll then secure the hair with hairspray to give it hold and a sheen. You can then apply ornamentation of your choice.